This is my in-wall sink faucets that I installed for the very first time. And in this video, I'll show you what not to do when installing them in your bathroom. Tip number 1. When installing the 2x4 support, don't install it like this with the faucet pipe on top of it. Instead, install it like this because it's so much easier to mount the faucet pipe to the back to the 2x4 along with leveling it with a small level. And it looks nice and clean versus like this where it's mounted with wooden spacers and one pipe clamp. I really struggled with this way to level the faucet, hence why I added the spacers. Tip number 2. Make sure you do a good leak test and possibly multiple times. Thankfully, I did this one when I was installing my faucet and I was glad I did. I had multiple leaks in different places and I had to take care of them. And this brings me to tip number 3. Use a thicker Teflon tape on the fittings, specifically on the brass or steel fittings. So one of the mistakes was I used regular Teflon tape on the brass fittings, or you can say I used not enough of the tape, and that's why I had some of the leaks. I ended up buying this thicker Teflon tape and the problem was resolved. And finally, my biggest mistake of them all is tip number 4. Make sure you position your sink properly in respect to the faucet. In my case, I had the countertop guys install the sink as if they would having the faucets coming out from the top of the counter, which made the sink further away from the faucet and the faucet really close to the edge of the counter. So when I wash my hands, I have so much water splashing in the area on top of the countertop. If you want to see a full installation of these faucets and how I fixed this last mistake, then check out this video right here.